One of the fighters of mixed martial arts in Meghalaya, Raymond Kurbah, had signed an agreement with Upgrade Marketing Group from Los Angeles in the United States of America to enable him in his intention to compete at the UFC. Raymond Kurbah appealed to the general public for financial sponsorship for his 2 months training in Dubai or Thailand this year.
Raymond Johnny Kurbah and awan ang niya band penpau mo kajing sangwo ya play track and rat ningkong pen wan nga do kanika lat ka lenti biang ka ngari MMA fighter ba ngaju represent ya ka India ka senam arja country sa South Africa te mentah kini kenti biang yo kalat mo lengba ka trials kini kita bangalan and then ngalaya sign a contract for 1 year but kawai ka management team upgrade management team from Los Angeles and then kani ka management team kadi ba la head Julian and then kadi ka bla bun ngidon about around 60 fighters kepada kani ka management team and then kibun lagi kadi UFC fighters and then ngaru ngayo lingba way UFC fighter and then Raymond so he udah itu ba yarap yang ngaf pen yo bakanika team so I ngadon bakanika team upgrade management te mentak kalian ka management itu ide ni ba in charge nga shanisha India so ngade iwe ba sajid first time na India na Asia but kanika team and then kanika team menta ngong men ngandon sa ngala mut manage menta biang pro level kabanlong kidan southly ki promotion ki blawan ki bla approach mengi kade kawai kade EFC kawai kade ka what's that Netherlands level kade na Netherlands kawai kade na South Africa kawai kade na Malaysia and then men name step ngirang yo kawai kade na Singapore ta ngin ngidang ya chakmat baka jingya soy ka sekolah ka ni sekolah ka di sepang ka jingna jingwan jongi ka jing travel ka no kin ai lingba ka jing negotiate but manager jonga Vikram ta kani kade ka first time hi ngaru bangan net ya simenta sethe and then nga don ru ka jing pat ki part mo ki padan chini ki MMA fans ba kin snok tilam kin yadon mentalam but kani long kani jingna jing konjonga te kanang ba kanlong ba siso nomor kaniru ka kadi ka very important yang nomor ba kali long dadanga job 3 fights ngala ban shortlisted to UFC road to UFC te kani kadi kawai ka kalat kalanti ngabang happen let the jing job but hakni ki likely fights out league fight ki panong te kanang banyo ata jing job ngakwa ka jing kershan na baro ki pat kajela jongi but kanang ba kani ka jing na jonga kalong ka basi so aling ba ka jing don ringkat jongki but ka weiru kalong ba nga don kamru ya ka if anyone can come and like help me for the sponsorship for training camp ru nomor ka training camp hapan invest in aldi ba plunuti aldi so shani ka sham jinjar nomor ba ngimdon ki companies so ngila try an approach to companies from outside ru ta ngidang ekran tanpa as soon as possible nomor ba ubni ubnai ban wan ngala banyo ka fight kadon ko ka fight ru ka bla offer yang on the 17 hade Malaysia and then kidon kiwei kiba offer yang aru South Africa ta tanpa most important menta kade ba ngakwa ka jingkershan menta ka training camp jonga kaban ngandet ka kawai ka training camp ka bangan jet kade Dubai kawai kade Thailand ta kata kade kawai ka ba ngakwa ya ka long ka jingkershan lagi pai ba pa ki nong ai song pa mo.
Addressing media persons in Shillong today, Vikram Raje, who is the representative of Upgrade Marketing Group from Los Angeles, USA, informed that Raymond Kurbah is the first Indian to have signed an agreement with the particular group for sponsorship to the UFC Games.
Yeah, so we've been in this industry for more than like 13 years. and we represent a lot of UFC fighters, and this is the first time we are coming out to India and signing up an Indian fighter and starting to represent them. So we knew Raymond through one of our UFC fighters, Trishan Go. He told me like Raymond is a good prospect and he's up and coming out of Meghalaya and he wants to fight outside the Indian country. So we've been planning to organize a training camp for Raymond in Thailand or in Dubai. So the training camp for 2 months will cost around 80,000, and if you cover up the flight cost and the stay, it will come around like 1.5 to 2 lakhs, I believe. And we have already a couple of offers on the table from South Africa, Thailand, Singapore and Malaysia. And I'm also having a call for Raymond with the Netherlands promotion as well. So I believe we will have fight news very soon. And we are planning to do a 2 months long training camp. So for this we are looking for sponsors and anyone who is willing to support Raymond for his career. No, so we will also look for sponsors for him, and we will be taking care of his fight news and when he is going to fight and new fights or contracts and everything. So one of our fighters introduced Raymond to us and we saw a couple of his videos and he's really solid on his striking game, and we saw the potential in him and he was like very hungry to fight and everything. So and then we had a couple of calls and then we signed him up.
How many years?
We signed a contract for 1 year, and from there we will extend it up.